Hey, this is Brian with Bestride DIY. I'm at Lowe's in September to show you their best tool deals and sales going on right now. First up, from Grill to Go, this is a Charbroil True Infrared Grill. So this is it's $44. It was $179, so it's a pretty deep discount on this. It's a clearance deal. Now it says it's a large grill size, 17 inches by about 11.75, powered by a 16.4 ounce LP cylinder. And it's got that infrared technology, so you're going to avoid a lot of flare-ups when using this. Now for $37, this was $149, is this master-built portable grill here. It has a stainless steel grates, and then that top grate is chrome-plated, so you're going to get good convection on that top one. Now this is a Craftsman 6-gallon wet dry vac, so this is $10 off at $69. This comes with everything you need, the extension tubes, the extra filter, and attachments. Then right above it here they had the smaller 2.5 gallon wet dry vac for $34. It was $39, so it's $5 off. Now this is the Kobalt mechanics cart. It's for $219. It was $269. This was kind of in the back of the store for whatever reason. You've got the two smaller drawers here that come out, and then you've got the larger two drawers on the bottom. It has the little side part that comes out, and you've got the cam lock if you want to lock the top of it. Now from Flex Seal, they have a special with its 10% off their 14-ounce Flex Seal sprays. Now that's just the spray it looks like and not the caulk they have. Now from Napoleon, this is a grill cover. They had some of their grill covers on clearance, which makes sense. Kind of end of the summer, they're trying to clear them out. And that was $62, it was $69. Now they had some Skill mowers. This one's $349, it was $399. And then the one next to it is $249, I believe. And I'll tell you what the difference is in just a second. Yeah, $249 here. They both got 20-inch cutting radius. And stay tuned, guys. Near the end of the video, I'm going to show you some half-off items that were kind of random to me, but I actually might have picked a few of them up because they were kind of useful. Now, this is the $249. The only difference on these two is this one has a 5 amp hour battery, and the other one here has a 6 amp hour. So the one on the left is going to have a little bit longer runtime. They yellow tagged some of their mower items as well. This is an oil filter for $5.92. It was $19. And then from Kawasaki, they had a $4 air filter that was $18, it looks like. Now from Kobalt, they had some different tool belts and items that were yellow tagged. It looks like they've got the technician's tool belt, the drill holder. I kind of looked at these prices though, and they were only like $1 or $2 off. So not crazy, but they are lower priced items, so they couldn't half them. Next up, Kobalt has this buy one bare tool and get this free 2 amp hour battery starter kit. So this is a $50 value when you buy one of these tools from the $99 section or the $129 section. You're going to get this free battery starter kit. Now just switching back to mowers for 1 second, I forgot the EGO or the Ego mowers. So this one's $5.99. You're getting 60 minutes of runtime. It's got a 21-inch cutting deck. And then this one is $4.99. And it's got the same specs except a little bit less as far as runtime. The difference is the battery. This one's a 6 amp hour battery and the previous was a 7.5 amp hour. They had some deals on their EGO 10-inch pole saws where you buy that and you get one of their head attachments. I'll let you pause it here if you want and read all of those. But they had, basically you get a free attachment when you buy the tool. And same thing when you buy the lawn edger. You can get a free attachment. And right to the left here, they did have the actual string trimmers and the leaf blowers. This is a leaf blower for $2.99. It was $3.29. So you're saving $30 here. It's got the 200 mph battery powered leaf blower. This is what this looks like, and it was $3.29 previously. Now these are their trimmers here. For $179, it was $219. Is their 2.5 amp hour battery and charger are included, which is nice. It's their string trimmer, and that's what that looks like here. It's the one up top. And I'll show you the deals on these other two as well. So this next one here is $199. It was $249. That's the one here in the middle. You can kind of see that there. I'm kind of panning over so you can see everything. And then this bottom one here, that was $329. You're saving $30 there. It was $299. That's a 16-inch string trimmer. Now with the LG washer combo, you're going to get a free pedestal. Make sure to check out these types of deals in the middle of the store. Now for $99, it's your choice. You're going to save on the $139 price or the $149 price on the drill drivers. Or for $149, you can get the 24-volt 2-tool combo kit. Now from Dewalt, they have this 110-piece case for $34. It was $50. And with this, they've got the Tough Grip technology. Now Metabo still has their deal going. I think this is going to go on for a while, where you get the free impact driver when you get one of their nailers. This is the free value. They have it on the box, so I think they're pretty committed to it. You get a free select tool, which is up to $149 of value. I'm going to kind of zoom in here to see the tools, and that's when you buy the 4 amp hour starter kit for $129. This is what that starter kit looks like, and then they've got all these down below alarmed and set up here, so you can see those. Next from Craftsman, they got their screwdriver bit set for $12. It was $18. It's a 60-piece set. They've got a new lower price, $19. It was $29 on their drill driver set here. Sorry for the glare, I couldn't get that out of the picture, but it's a 60-piece set here. And next up, from Dewalt, they had their combo kits. For $169, you get the 20-volt max cordless kits. They were $219. And then the hammer drill and impact kit for $279 was $329, and then the 4-tool kit for $379. That was $449. Now from Dewalt, these are the extreme tool line here. You buy one 12-volt tooler kit, and you're going to get a Dewalt 12-volt 5 amp hour battery for free. Now from Kobalt, you get the free starter kit. It's a $49 value when you buy one of these bare tools over here to the right. I would have thought it's a better value, but I guess it's just a $49 value. So, and then from Dewalt, you get this free battery, which is a $229 value. This has been going on, it seems, at least for a month when you buy one of these select tools here to the right. This is that power stack battery, so it's their newer technology, which is a lighter battery. They've got the cells inside, which are kind of stacked on each other instead of the more cylindrical batteries. And they've got all their Dewalt tools out. Now from Flex, for $279, it was $349, is their brushless 1/2-inch drive cordless impact wrench with battery, and they have a case, it looks like, from the box. Let me know what y'all think. Someone had told me or said in a comment that Flex was going out of business and Lowe's was not going to be supplying them anymore, but they had them fully stocked here, so I wasn't sure. But let me know in the comments. This is from Bosch. They had some other deals. You buy one 18-volt battery kit, and then you get one select Bosch 18-volt tool for free. I'm sorry my pronunciation. And next up here, when you buy one 18-volt 2-pack 8 amp hour battery or 18-volt amp hour starter kit, you get a free Profractor tool for free. Now if you've made it this far in the video, guys, make sure to like, because it does help the algorithm. Now for $159, they had some air compressor deals which were pretty decent. They had this 8-gallon portable electric horizontal air compressor, and that was $159, was $189. Then they had this clearance item for $127, so it was $159 on this hot dog 3-gallon air compressor. So not a bad deal on that. And let me show you next what we have. This $339 26-gallon Quiet Tech air compressor was $379. So let me just show you by comparison. This one was the 20-gallon next to it. I'm going to back up a little bit. So this was one of their larger compressors here. Now this is what I was talking about in the beginning. This is in the middle of the store, kind of that back middle aisle. All these pieces of furniture were half off. $44, $89, $69, and this one's $89. So I didn't see any defects on them. And go ahead and check out this next video, guys. It talks about the best deals through the different times of year. These are Amazon tools, but the same could apply to Home Depot and Lowe's. So it's kind of an analysis of tool price history. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check that out.